What's up? I haven't worked out in about a week and I'm in pretty bad shape. I need to do something to help kickstart my motivation to get back into the gym. And so one of my goals was to learn how to do a handstand, but I kind of neglected that. But to take advantage of this snow day, I will be doing a home workout today. So let's get started. Well, thank you guys for joining me on this edition of Home Workout, and I'll see y'all next time.